Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Visual Studio with the Python workload and a 3x interpreter. Once installed, open Visual Studio and create a new Python project. Pick a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. You should enable pip and virtualenv support so packages install cleanly. Make sure IntelliSense is active for code completion. Now create your main file and run a quick print hello to verify the interpreter path. This proves the project is wired correctly and ready for coding. You next configure the project for real development. Set the interpreter to your virtualenv or Conda environment and install required packages through Solution Explorer or the terminal. Once done, create or edit launch configuration to specify entry file, command line args, and working directory so runs are reproducible. Use the Visual Studio debugger with breakpoints, watch variables, and step controls to inspect flow. Make sure to run and iterate often. Refactor with rename and extract method to keep code clean and maintainable as features grow. You wrap up by adding unit tests and running them in Test Explorer. Once tests pass, prepare packaging with requirements: TXT, Wheel, or Docker for deployment. Make sure to update versioning and commit changes before publishing. If something goes wrong, first confirm the interpreter and virtual environment paths, then check installed package versions. Also inspect Visual Studio output and diagnostic logs for errors. These logs point to missing deps or misconfigured launch settings. Finally, restart the IDE if persistent state issues remain and rerun tasks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.